Hey everybody, it's David with Cyber City Circuits. I wanted to walk you through a little bit of our manufacturing process so you can see a little bit of what we do every day.
First, we take a board and we wash it. We use 99% alcohol to get all the oils and stuff from people's hands off the board. That way we get a good solder paste layer. So then we put the board in our stencil machine and then we put the solder paste through the stencil onto the board. Next, we put the board in the machine. Now the machine has to be set up for each different board, and it could take up to 4 hours to set up a machine for a board. That includes all the programming, putting all the parts for that build on the board. But then when we run the machine, it puts all the parts on the board just as we want it to. And then we inspect each board before we put it in the oven. We're checking to make sure that parts aren't on backwards, parts aren't upside down. We're checking to make sure that parts aren't crooked. Then it goes through the oven. Inside the oven, it gets so hot that it melts the solder paste and creates a good bond between your components and the board. And when that's done, we put any through-hole parts that need to go on the board, and then we take the board and we put it in our ultrasonic cleaner with special soaps that get all the flux off the board, and we turn it on. And when that's done, we take the basket out of the ultrasonic cleaner and we wash it off in the sink. So we're getting all the soap off the board, all the loose solder that came off in the ultrasonic cleaner, and all the flux residue that's left on the board off. Then we take the board and we put it in our special oven that we got just for drying boards. It gets all the water out from underneath the ICs and the lights and everything. I hope you enjoyed a quick look at our manufacturing processes. If you have any questions, or if you'd like to have your boards manufactured, we can be reached by email at sales@cybercitycircuits.com. Thanks.